Good day po, I'm Edrel Kong, Sales Executive here at Triumph Pampanga. So what we have here is the Triumph Daytona 660. Let's discuss the features of this motorcycle. So let's go first with the engine and transmission. It is a liquid-cooled 12 valves with dual overhead camshaft. It has 3 cylinders with 660 cubic capacity. It has 95 horsepower with at 11,250 RPM and 70 Newton meters of torque at 8,250 RPM. So let's proceed po sa control system ng motor. This one po, it is a TFT display. And yung kagandahan po dito sa motorcycle natin, may 3 riding modes po siya. Rain, Road, and Sport. Ito po yung control buttons niya if you want to change riding modes. Dito lang po pipindutin. Meron na rin po tong slip assist clutch and electric throttle. Racing windscreen na po and yung sa side mirror niya pang racing na rin po. So let's proceed naman po sa system brake po. Sa harap po, meron po siyang 310mm dual ABS disc brake. And sa likod naman po, 220mm disc brake. ABS rin po siya sa harap and sa likod po. So yung size po ng gulong niya sa harap is 120 by 70 and yung rim size po niya size 17. And yung sa likod naman po is 180 by 55 and yung rim size po niya size 17 din po. And yung kagandahan po sa gulong natin is branded po siya. Michelin po yung ginamit na brand sa motorcycle natin. And naka-inverted suspension na rin po siya sa harap and monoshock po sa likod. And yung seat height po ng motor natin is 810mm. 5'9" po ako and sasakyan ko po yung motor para makita nyo po kung ano yung itsura niya kapag nakasakay. And yung ground clearance po niya is 5.5 inches. Hindi po siya ganong naka-aggressive position. Medyo upright pa rin po siya compare sa ibang sports bike na naka-aggressive position. So let's proceed with this part. Ito po yung exhaust niya. It is a stainless steel header system with stainless steel silencer. And naka-X ring chain na rin po ito. Ito po ang kanyang swing arm and it is fabricated steel po. The Daytona 660 have 3 different types of colors. Satin granite, carnival red, and for this one, Snowdonia white. Parang social po yung color niya kasi po may pagka-pearl white po siya. And lastly, let's talk about the price of this motorcycle. SRP po nito is 549,000. And sa ganitong looks and performance, meron na po kayong ganitong klaseng motor. If kayo po ay nag-avail ng Daytona 660, meron po kayong makukuhang Laos Group Cares with the road assistant for 24/7. You can text me or call me at my number 0998-953-1725. If you're interested with our units po, you can message our main page, Triumph Motorcycles Pampanga, and you can also message me at my main page, Edrel Kong Motorcycles Triumph Pampanga. You can visit us here at Triumph Pampanga. It is located here in Laos Group Complex, Oseabad, Santos Avenue, near Microtel.